channel. Today we've got some exciting news to share with all you digital marketers out there. LinkedIn Ads has just rolled out a new feature that's going to make tracking your campaign performance even easier and more dynamic. That's right, they've introduced dynamic UTMs for campaign tracking. If you're using LinkedIn Ads to promote your business or products, this update is going to be a game changer for you. So let's not waste any time and jump right into it. First things first, let's understand what exactly dynamic UTMs are and why they're important for your ad campaigns. Dynamic UTMs or Urchin Tracking Modules are essentially tags that you can add to your URLs to track various elements of your marketing campaigns. This includes things like the source, medium, campaign name, and more. By adding these tags to your URLs, you can track exactly where your traffic is coming from and how effective your marketing efforts are. Now, here's where LinkedIn's latest update comes into play. Previously, setting up UTMs for your LinkedIn ad campaigns required manual inputs for each individual ad. This could be time-consuming and prone to errors, especially if you're running multiple ads simultaneously. But now, with dynamic UTMs, LinkedIn automates this process for you, making it easier than ever to track your campaign performance. Let me show you how it works. When you're setting up a new ad campaign on LinkedIn, you'll notice a new option for dynamic UTMs. Simply toggle this on and LinkedIn will automatically generate unique UTMs for each of your ads based on the parameters you specify. This means no more manual inputting of UTMs for each ad, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors in your tracking. But wait, there's more. Not only does LinkedIn generate these UTMs automatically, but they also make them dynamic. This means that the UTMs will dynamically change based on the content of your ads and the audience they've been showing to. And there you have it, folks. LinkedIn's new dynamic UTMs for campaign tracking. This update is sure to make your life as a marketer a whole lot easier, allowing you to focus on optimizing your campaigns for maximum effectiveness. So what are you waiting for? Log into your LinkedIn Ads account and start taking advantage of dynamic UTMs today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.